Hi, let's talk today about contractors and employees and what this means for superannuation. Sometimes we do see uncertainty around whether an employer is required to pay super contributions on behalf of a contractor or an employee. Today, let's highlight a recent tax case where the Administrative Appeals Tribunal decided that an individual engaged by a company to provide various website services over an extended period of 5 years was nonetheless not an employee of the company. In this instance, the taxpayer company engaged the individual to build and maintain its website. Between 2007 and 2012, the individual submitted invoices for varying amounts described as online marketing and sales, and they charged a monthly fee of $1,000 for their services. In the ATO's view, these amounts were income earned by the individual as an employee. The ATO determined that the company had not met its SG or its superannuation obligations in respect of that individual, and they subsequently issued SG charge assessments for that period to the company. The company, though, then claimed that the individual was engaged as an independent contractor and not an employee. And though there were some factors that pointed to an employer-employee relationship, there were several fundamentals that weren't suggestive of this. In particular, the lack of control by the company as to how the agreed work was to be carried out, the limited integration of the individual into the company's business, and his ability to employ discretion in terms of employing others were extremely significant in determining that decision. The bottom line here is that this can be somewhat of a grey area, and it's important to have this conversation with your employer or your employee before commencing your relationship. Tracy Ferguson, thanks for listening.